How to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice to voice ChatGPT on both iPhone and Android. Imagine being able to talk to ChatGPT instead of just typing. It's super easy and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. First, open up the ChatGPT app, or if you don't have the app, don't worry, you can also use ChatGPT direct from your mobile browser. Now once you're in the app, look for the microphone icon, as you can see here, like this, and it will ask you whether you want to allow chatgpt.com to use your microphone. Simply tap. All you need to do is simply talk with the microphone, and all you need to do is simply tap on the send icon and it will receive your voice. As you can see here, it has received your voice and you can simply send it like this. Now it will simply give you some answers. You can, if you want to listen or see the voice what they have told, simply tap on the volume icon and you'll be able to hear the ChatGPT's talk. And that's it. You now enable voice to voice ChatGPT on your iPhone or Android. By using this simple process, you can simply use the built-in voice to voice method on ChatGPT.